Collagen crosslinks are really important in skin aging and generally in fibrosis. Hi, this is Dr. Alan Lifton from Brainsplained. I was asked what you should take for your skin, what supplements or vitamins. So number one is water. You should drink a lot of water. I think a liter a day is good. I mean, you can drink more, but I would set that as the minimum. And I would try to drink it sort of throughout the day. Number two would be Terminalia Chebula, Chebula. That's extremely good for skin. It has multiple different mechanisms of action. And most importantly, it affects the collagen crosslinks. Collagen crosslinks are really important in skin aging and generally in fibrosis. And the dose of that, I take half a teaspoon of the powder once a day. And then fish oil, I don't know the dose. If you really want, you can measure your omega-3 to 6 ratios. You can then add that and then take more. Because of its cardiovascular effects, it gets complicated because there's an interaction with omega-6 and omega-3 with a single enzyme in which they're competitive. So you might need more or less depending on whether you got rid of your 6s. If you got rid of your omega-6s or you reduced them drastically, then maybe less. The dose of DHA, EPA I take is 4 grams a day. You can take vitamin B2, riboflavin. Vitamin B2 deficiencies often present with skin issues, and so that really helps. B2 also helps prevent migraines. The dose of vitamin B2 for migraines is 200 milligrams twice a day. It's way above the RDA, but it was a prospective placebo-controlled randomized trial that showed a greater than 50% reduction in migraines, and so that's the dose I use, and it was safe, and that's the dose I use for skin. And this is my water bottle. This is 500 mils, so I need to drink this. This is all metal, and this is metal. It is this little tiny piece of rubber, but I don't think it really touches the water, and this is 500 mLs. And so I drink that in the morning, and if I'm not done drinking it by lunchtime, then I have to drink the whole thing before I eat my lunch, and then I fill it up again and I drink one before I leave the office. So I've drank at least a liter before work is done. That's water. I hope that's Brainsplained.